It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so shy. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm coming at you with a video of some new things that I just bought. So if you want to know what I am going to be testing out, just continue to keep watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up button before we even get started. Let's go. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get into this product. I already have my eyes done because I'm filming another video while filming this video. So yeah, but we're going to go ahead and I am going to try the Lawless Conceal the Deal Long Wear Full Coverage Foundation. The name is almost longer than the box. Just saying. So I got this at Sephora. This is my first time trying anything from Lawless, so I'm a little excited. And it retails for $39 for 1 ounce, which is great, standard. And it does have the vegan and clean at Sephora stamp, if you care. I don't. This is a long-wearing, lightweight fluid foundation that delivers modern full coverage with a self-setting natural matte finish, vegan and silicone-free. It is for normal, dry, combination, and oily. I don't know why they didn't just say all skin types. That's what that was. It has nasturtium flower extract. I never heard of that flower. Limits free radical damage caused by blue light, goji berry, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and widely used to reduce visible signs of aging. Bisabolol and ginger extracts, soothing anti-irritants, suitable for dry, sensitive skin. This blendable, buildable foundation feels like a serum, fusing with your skin to visibly even tone, blur pores, smooth texture, and cover imperfections. The silicone and talc-free formula contains active ingredients to provide blue light and antioxidant protection while soothing irritation and sensitivity. Well, so since we can't actually test if this does have antioxidants or free radicals or whatever, or blue light filters in it, I don't care. So this is the packaging, which is very small. I got mine in the color Toasted Almond, and this comes in 28 shades. Jokes on them, or me for buying it. I don't know. But I think there's 4 shades after mine. I'm not sure. But the deepest shade that they have is Cocoa, which is ultra deep with warm neutral undertones. Toasted Almond I got, which is supposed to be very deep with warm neutral undertones. So I'm hoping that it is deep enough, but so on and so forth. Let's go on ahead. It says Makeup That Do on the inside of the packaging, which I know you guys can't read. And it does say read inside, but who's going to try to read inside of a box? Nobody. That's who. Absolutely no one. This is the packaging here. Again, it's very small, so you can kind of just throw this in a carry-on bag if it's your thing. And on the back it also says long wearing, self-setting, full coverage. So when I try this on, I will try one side with a primer and not. So one side I'm going to try to. So one side I'm going to try with a primer and powder to set it, and the other side it's going to be just the foundation. So it says Clean AF on the side, if you care. I really don't. This has a little indent in here, and it's a squeezy tube. Nothing special about the packaging. I like that it's kind of a sleek packaging. So yeah. Oh, and the color is on the bottom. And it says it's made in Italy. Cool. And it's so liquidy. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's very liquidy. So I'm going to go ahead and shake it up. And I'm not even going to show you guys me pouring this out because as you can hear how liquidy it is. I just took 2 drops on my palette. My palette is dirty, which is why I'm not showing you. And I'm going to use this foundation brush on both sides. But let me go ahead and prime with the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. This also kind of helps to fill in my pores just a little bit. That's what it looks like on my brush. It's really soaking into the brush. So, that's the color. Oompa loompa doompa dee da. I want a golden egg. Okay, it's getting a little better. Yeah.
Keep going. You got some work to do. It's funnier because you're short.
You said because I'm short? This is one side of my face done. So I want to push through because I'm a trooper, but this is kind of yellow. I mean orange. I don't know my colors of the rainbow. I'm gonna just keep pushing through because this is kind of orange. As you can see, this is the side with it on. It is a beautiful finish. Like, this is a great foundation. Beautiful. Not my color. It's a little bit too warm on the orangey side. Like, did you just skip golden and just go straight to orange? And then this is the side without. It did even out my skin tone. So, we're just going to push through and put this all over my face. Okay, so both sides of my face is done. This side doesn't have any primer at all. This side has primer, and I'm going to end up setting it right now. It doesn't feel tacky or sticky or anything. And I think it sits beautifully on the skin. Yeah, it sits really pretty on the skin. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup. And then I'll be back to wrap this up and tell you guys what I think. Okay, so this is my face fully done. This side, again, is set and primed. This side is not. This is beautiful. This is a really pretty foundation, and it is full coverage as it says it is. At least for me. I find that it's full coverage for me and the issues that are on my skin. However, this is not my shade. If you can find your shade and you just want something that feels light on the face and sets itself, because it doesn't feel anything. And this is not a wear test, so I can't tell you if it's going to last. There actually is a little bit of tack on my face because this side isn't set. And yeah, you can feel it on my face. But like sitting here, I can't feel it on my face, if that makes sense. So when I touch it, I can feel it. Just sitting here, I can't feel it. But if you're in the market for a foundation and you can actually find your shade, because the shade finder works, because the shade finder did not work when I tried it on Sephora. Sephora, please make your shade finders work. So yeah, if you can find your shade, or if you like Lawless Beauty and you know your shade in their stuff, go ahead and give it a try. Other than that, I would probably pass on this. There's stuff that's cheaper, that works better, and looks great. So yeah, do what you will with that. I can't recommend off of like I couldn't find my shade, but I can say that I like the finish, and I'm not going to try to go back and find my shade. There's that. So to keep from rambling on, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you know every time I upload another video. And until next time, y'all, bye.